Katbadang yad ke Jingïakynad ke Green Tech Foundation Hakmat Secretariat, hadian kumba arkanta duna ke Jingïang jongki Hakmat ke Kerdop Secretariat, kaladon ke Jingïania Kaba Jur, Hapdeng jongki dekot jong ke Green Tech Foundation, lambat Khubor Pulit bat magistrate. Haba na kaliang ki magistrate, kila ong ba ki day ban wengno yala de na kate ke jaka, namar kim pat yo ke jingbet, Henry na ki dekot jong ke Green Tech Foundation, kim satya ban mi, namar kila ong, ba ke jingwan jong ki, kam shim la penthot ni penwit yano, namar kata kila ong ba ke jingwan jong ki kadehi, ke jingbom burom ke sorkar ke jingdawa jong ki, wat haba kila ya de kalinti kabadai.
Please give him this to DC Riboy, please. Please give it to him.
You won't give it to yourself.
Then why you are argue? Again and again. Again and again. Cuan bang. DC office, but no, not at his level to take the decision. Please. Why you people again and again try to close off?
Obviously we're ready to go. Why believe in satu satu
Sila dan Amin.
Sila dan Commissioner Secretary Konsum dan
Ini dan yang lain. One even support him nila. Once it's a public issue, that we can't stop anybody from.
They are coming to support us. We will organize for them to come here also. Please understand that since morning, just the three of us are here.
To come here, but magically so many posters also. In case someone comes here, that is fine. I get it. You said you but you didn't expect.
I request you,
but you were already prepared with the posters.
The posters were already prepared for our entire since
for other people. I'm just saying that. Along with that, there is certain protocol and protest. And then makhang protest. At least get the permission from the DC office. You didn't do that. You did not do that. That's why I'm appointment the minister. You can actually go inside one day. You can go and it's probably a problem. You did not want to do that also. Now you've got your optics, no? Are you done? Are you done? I'm not done. In fact, I've been visiting you and I'm trying to treat you properly. Just gone through. But see, our health is what? Instead of telling us to be the opposite, I want you to be the I want to challenge you. They went to the channel. The government why don't they respond to what people said first? We met petition in hard copy also we met. That's why I request you to respond. That's why you cannot say that right now the I can my main concern is law and order and we
did not create any law now. We are expressing our constitutional rights. There's a protocol, but we have a constitutional right. You cannot organize protests. How?
Just come to the DC, get the permission, no one will stop.
We're exercising our fundamental rights and we're standing on our fundamental rights.
Our issue is totally different. Maju ka.
He was gone get
How do you know he was
If he was consulted, he would have replied to our reply.
There could be many reasons for that, right? But what I baca itu bawang reply to the request. Wasa itu kita ke official meeting. In the top minutes.
Dan dof dia.
Bisa record itu. Sabtu Pak Kelaban One Share Secretariat kita raise itu. Yang kedua apa?
Thank you.